Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the language in BIOS on RAZER Blade 15. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it on RAZER Blade 15. And once that's done, in the main page, to move between pages you can use the right or left arrow. In the main page, go down until you find system language. So it's actually here. I can click on it by enter and I can change it. You can see that it's only available in English, but maybe there are some versions that have multiple languages available, so it will be here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.